think so. So let me pan out and you can see this is Valley Beach. This is where we grew up swimming as Ross kids. It is a very cool place. That's one side of Valley Beach. Here's the other side. And two deep ends. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. You can see that this place is humongous. We have a playground and sand volleyball and a kickball field. Two diving boards. Yes, you are. The kids are playing kickball over here. This is a fun place to come when you're in Norwalk, Ohio.